Guys, this is me. My name is Cora, and I finally faced the reveal. As you guys can see, I faced the reveal. And this video over here that you guys are looking at, this is my annoying brother that he make a video without my permission. He took my phone, he went in the bathroom, and so he made his own video like this. And I know it's now get like 170 something views right now. But as I wanted to say, he's really annoying, and I don't know why he made that. My mom said he mustn't post that on my channel. And as you guys will see, I'm going to show you guys a picture of his channel. Episode I made when a long time ago. It's actually my mom's channel. He didn't make his own channel. He just put he and my and my cousins on the video. So as you guys see this video over here, that I cannot delete. I don't know why.